This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Notion as a student. First, create your free Notion account using your student email to unlock premium features without cost. Once logged in, you can begin with a blank page or explore the many student-specific templates available. I recommend creating a central dashboard to organize all your academic pages, making navigation incredibly simple and efficient. This initial setup is crucial for a streamlined experience. Next, let's organize your academic life. Set up a database for all your courses, including key details like professor names and assignment deadlines. Each course can have its own dedicated page, linked directly from your main database, ensuring everything is interconnected. For notes, utilize Notion's versatile features like toggle lists for active recall and embed files such as PDFs or images directly into your pages. This keeps all your study materials in one accessible place. Keeping track of assignments is vital for student success. Create a task database where you can log every assignment, project, and exam. Include columns for due dates, current status, and priority levels to manage your workload efficiently. Visualize your tasks using Notion's calendar or board views, which provide a clear overview of upcoming deadlines. Don't forget to set reminders for critical dates, ensuring you never miss an important submission. Finally, let's enhance your study and collaboration efforts. Designate a specific area within your Notion workspace for all your study resources, including digital textbooks, research articles, and helpful links. Notion also excels at collaboration. You can easily share pages with classmates for group projects or shared note-taking, fostering teamwork. Plus, use the web clipper to save online articles directly into your workspace, keeping all your research organized and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.